In our previous video, we introduced the top mobile applications that can be used for face swapping for fun. They are free, easy to use, and available on both Google Play and App Store. In this video, we will introduce the Jiggy app in more detail. The purpose is to be able to have a feeling of what this app can do and also to serve as a short user guide. Jiggy is a popular face swapping app. Today, it has more than 1 million downloads. This app can make your photos to come to life and dance. Let's see how it works. When you enter the app, there is an Add button at the top left. Click on it to add the photos that you want to use. Here, you can see that I have already added 2 photos. They will be shown here on the top, and I have both of them active to be used. That is shown by the check mark beside the photos. I can deselect any of the photos by just clicking on them. The photos should be either half body or full body photos. It's important to have a good quality and lighting with the face towards the camera, and make sure that the body or face are not covered. Here you see some examples of the acceptable photos and how they are brought to life by the app. If you click and hold, you can edit or delete any of the photos. Let's see one example with only Trump's photo selected. I can search and find the category that I want. As you can see, there are many different categories. Let's choose the awesome category and we try the first one to see how it works. The process takes a few seconds and then it's ready. You can now use the send button to share on any of your social media apps such as TikTok, or just share to your friends privately. The quality is not so perfect, but it is still very good and fun to see the transformation. The quality also depends on the original photo that you input to the app. There are some more features such as adding sound or text, but they are not currently available. Some themes are for single photos, some for 2 or 3. You can see this by the number indicated at the bottom right of each of them. Now let's see a 2-person video example. Here I have both of the photos dancing together. I hope you liked this brief introduction. If you have any question, please let us know by writing in the comment fields below this video. And if you like our video and are interested to know more about other top-rated mobile apps, please support us by subscribing to our channel.